いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。
Wi-Fi here. God. すみません。はい。このカフェは Wi-Fi ありますか？
Wi-Fi か。すみません。申し訳ございません。Wi-Fi がありませんです。
じゃあ、わかりました。すみません。
すみません。
失礼します。
はい、すみません。何をどうしたの？やっぱり、これ、高そう。はい、行こうか。お客様、すみません。
はい。何？違います。俺のことじゃないです。違います。はい。I live on 9 plus 1, and if my girl left me have 9 option. Watch you now, Ben. Yo, my general! Yes, sir. You have no Wi-Fi in here? You know you have to buy something before you can use the Wi-Fi. So what am I have to buy? What the least we can buy? The least you can buy? Well, sir, you have to buy at least one coffee, and the coffee here is $500. $500 for coffee. You know that serious? Yes, I God himself make it. Better me go on the floor, go try to connect up here, man. Cause of course. Act like you're rich and whatever, and you can't buy one little cup of coffee, $500 coffee. Who's some rich? Because I idiot, yeah. It's so I can't tell the people that come in here and want demand Wi-Fi and them can't buy one cup of $500 cup of coffee. Anyway, what are they doing? I want Gucci handkerchief that now. Let me go for that here before him come back. Well, that is now mine. Serve him right. Yo, my boss. Yes, sir. You see one Gucci handkerchief? But think we drop it in here now. Gucci handkerchief? Gucci handkerchief? Me never know what Gucci look like, you know, sir. You drop something in here? No, I don't think so. I'm sure about it, so I drop it. No, sir. Can't hear. Probably drop it in a car. No, I don't drop it in my car. Come and take bus today. Oh, bus you take? Well, I don't know. Well, probably it depends on the bus. I know that go. Jano star. Alright. Yeah, right, cool. Respect. Idiot. Hi guys, welcome to the news review on the PDG show. Major news this week in Japan. Typhoon Faxai, Typhoon Faxai, I hope I got the pronunciation right, made landfall in Japan on Sunday of this week at about 9 p.m. hitting the Chiba prefecture, which is where I live. Now, it affected most of Tokyo and the Kanto region. The strongest effects were in the Chiba prefecture. Chiba was severely battered by this typhoon. In the Tokyo area, there was a delay of trains in the morning after, which was Monday morning. So trains started running at about 10. But for Chiba, up to time of recording, they have just resumed normal service here. In addition to that, up to 300,000 persons are still without power in the Chiba prefecture. It was a crazy storm, guys, and you see some footage here from my apartment. Ooh, baby! Whew. Yo, I'm gonna for the sea. What the breeze up. 3 persons have been confirmed dead, as well as about 40 casualties as a result of the storm. Our condolences to the families that have lost loved ones in the storm. As a result of the typhoon, many questions have been raised about the transportation infrastructure in Tokyo and the Chiba area, as well as the fragility of it, you know, in case of a national emergency or, I guess, an influx of persons, i.e. the Olympics or Rugby World Cup. So, yeah. There were a lot of delays because everybody rushed to the train station at about 10 o'clock because that's the time they said they resumed service. In other news, and on a sad note, a 15-year-old boy who had complained to his school about bullying was found dead in the Saitama prefecture after falling from a building. They suspect it is suicide. Now, for those who work in the Japanese school system or in whatever form, may not recognize it, but there is a lot of bullying going on in the schools. And Japanese kids or persons in the Japanese kids do not know how to process a lot of their feelings. And the only way they feel to get out of the situation is to commit suicide. And there have been a number of reported cases of bullying that have led to suicide over the years here in Japan. I feel that a lot of it is due to teachers, Japanese teachers, not following up with these things or seeing it as serious, as well as foreign teachers not being able to understand the language fully and not being able to pick up on certain words and signs of verbal abuse. Yeah. So that's it in the news this week. See you next week for the news review on the PDG show. Welcome back to the series How to Be Japanese. This week we look at another staple in the non-verbal communication arsenal of the Japanese person, the Chigau wave. As the name suggests, it's a wave that's used to show disagreement, to show non-compliance. This may be used in a myriad of situations, as in an argument, in a regular conversation, or just to piss someone off. Please note that the right hand is preferred as always, to show you're dominant. The strength of your Chigau wave is determined by the speed in which your hand moves from left to right in front of your nose, and the more ugly or dramatic the face, the more you show your opposition to any idea that has been posited prior to you doing that gesture. Until next time, matane.
I don't believe you.
Alright guys, welcome back. PigglesDiGaijin here. I am here for story time again. Alright, so this time, this is when I used to live in Toyota City. And I have had my fair share of weird encounters in Japan. And this one is no different. So, me and my friends are out having a drink in a bar called Mexican near the Toyota station. Now, my friends are also foreigners. Brazilians. Yeah, all of them are Brazilians actually. So we're out having a drink or whatever. And as usual, everybody's having a good time. Talking to girls, whatever, talking to Japanese guys. Random Japanese persons come up to us to talk and have language exchange or whatever. And then say, oh, let me buy you a drink. Okay, whatever, fine. Free drinks, no problem. You know what I mean? No one's going to date rape Andre. So a lot of Japanese persons can't handle their alcohol. They drink one beer and that's it. But then the true feelings come out after drinking. That liquid courage. Anywho, this Japanese guy comes and he says,
Oh, my name is Suzuki. Can I speak with you?
I'm like, okay, sure, no problem. What's up, man? Kampai, kampai. Whatever, we're drinking. And I don't remember how the conversation exactly went, but I think he lifted up his shirt at one point, showing how slim he was. And then other Brazilian guys were saying, oh, look at me. And they have, they're Brazilian guys. So they have like muscles and six packs and whatever. So who was a fat person and wasn't into that type of show. I was like, oh, that's great. I started drinking my Red Bull and vodka. Yes. Anyway, so I'm still there chilling. And then I notice the conversation starts moving into a different direction. So it says, like,
oh, we're friends. We're friends now, right? Friends? So friends, okay?
I'm like, I guess, okay. So he kisses one of the Brazilians. So I'm like, is that kind of party, sir? So the Brazilians have no problem with showing that sort of affection, kiss on the lips or kiss on the cheeks, whatever, fine. So he kisses one of the Brazilian friends, and then he kisses another Brazilian friend, and then he's coming towards me. I'm like, oi! So they were, damn it. Me? No. So he's like, I'm like, bro, no. I don't like, no, that's not me. That's not. So my Brazilian friend said, hey, daiju. Jamaica jin desu. So the koto wa yare nai ne. And that's all the time I have today on the PDG show. Please make sure to subscribe and share this with your friends. Comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Next week, Friday. Out. Let me tell you something. You see, I don't know what it mean. Like if Mark, please touch Andre. Or please try something with Andre. Japanese people, oh, you try me. And I don't like it. I know, I get one bit.